two giant Spiderman today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow! We got one here. It's big. And the other one here. Wow!
So what?
Very big Spiderman.
So what, Spiderman?
Yeah. And we got some surprises from Spiderman. What we got? We got a Spiderman basket.
Yeah.
Oh, and we got a Play-Doh surprise egg. We have a Play-Doh surprise egg.
Yeah.
Oh, bless you.
Yeah.
And some present. Wow, I'm so excited. Do you want to see what they have inside?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to open first?
That one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what's inside. There's no spiders inside? There's spiders inside? No?
No.
You sure?
No.
Okay.
No, it's Spiderman.
Woo! Nice! Okay, do you want to see what's inside the surprise Play-Doh egg?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's see. Ooh! That's a big Play-Doh egg.
Yeah.
What's inside? What is it?
It's giant red egg.
Yeah. I want to know what toys are inside.
Giant alien.
Come on. Oh! What is it?
It's mystery alien.
Mr. Minion?
Yeah.
Let's see what minion. Oh! Woohoo! Okay, let's see what else is inside the egg. A Minecraft mystery?
Yeah.
No. What it has inside?
We got my cow. We have cow.
A cow?
Yeah.
Let me see. Ooh. The cow hanger. To hang it in your backpack, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's for next year when you're going to school, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, there's something else inside?
Yeah.
Another mystery?
Yeah.
Let me see. A mystery box?
Yeah.
Marble mystery box, okay. Let's see what's inside.
We have Hulk. We have Oak.
We got Hawk.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Wow, we got Hawk. Another hanger for you. Woohoo! Oh. Do you like Spider-Man? Spidey?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
I see your present.
You see the present?
Yeah.
Do you want to open the present?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we have in the present.
That's one.
That one? The little one? Okay. Open up.
It's Spiderman.
Spiderman?
Yeah. It's Spiderman.
Let me see. Ooh. Nice. We're gonna play right now with it, okay?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's open the other presents.
That one.
You want the big one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what we have in the big present.
It's
Yay!
Batman.
Batman?
Yeah.
No way! Wow! An air hawk.
Look at your haircut.
It says zero gravity. Wow!
Look at your haircut.
It dries on the wall. No way. Okay. We're gonna open this in our next video, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna drive this in the wall.
Yeah.
Okay? So guys, stay tuned for the next video. We still having another present. This one, yeah.
Okay.
What is it?
It's boy from Springfield.
Let me see. A drone.
A drone.
A mini drone.
Yeah, I mean drone.
Mini drone?
Yeah.
Wow. Let me see. Whoa, it's a mini drone, micro mini drone. Yee-hee-hee. Wow! It flies! Wow! Oh, it got a spider web. Oh! Oh! No! It's yours!
Keep yours.
It's your Spider-Man!
It's yours, brother.
No, they're yours!
It's yours.
Yours!
I'm yours.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Kendo, open the drone. Let me see. Wow, it's so mini. Wow.
Hey,
Wow.
may I sit?
Can I have it?
Yeah.
Woohoo. Woohoo. Woohoo.
Do this.
Woohoo, to the floor.